Let us solve this quadratic equation. 5 lambda square minus 9 lambda minus 2 equals to 0. This one will be solved by factorization. We're only asked to solve, so you can use either of the methods. But if you are asked to use a specific method, you have to do it. But we have an open check here. So we'll solve it by factorization. That is 5 lambda squared minus 9 lambda minus 2 equals to 0. Before you solve, you now observe. Is this equation quadratic? Yes. It's quadratic because the highest power of the unknown variable here is 2. And you have sign of equality. That means this one is quadratic equation. So to do it now, you just observe and see. What is the leading coefficient here? Is 5. Multiply it by the constant here, which is minus 10. So instead of saying minus 2 here, what you have here is minus 10 mathematically. So after minus 10, think of two numbers in which if you add, it will give you the one at the center. And if you multiply them, it will give you the constant. Of course, the factors here are minus 10 and plus 1 because minus 10 plus 1 is minus 9. And minus 10 times 1 is minus 10. So I'm going to use them here. So instead of writing minus 9, you now replace it with, this is 5 lambda squared minus 10 lambda plus lambda minus 2 equals to 0. And same thing here again. Some students will be confused on which one to start. Is it the first or this? Don't worry, their placement is immaterial. If you like, you can start with lambda or minus 10. You will still get your answer. So next step, you put it in bracket here. This one is 5 lambda squared minus 10 lambda in bracket. And you add it to the next one here, lambda minus 2 equals to 0. Next, you treat the brackets separately. This one you keep, this one you keep. Here, 5 lambda is common, so you factor it out. So you have 5 lambda into lambda minus 2. It's true because 5 lambda times lambda is this. 5 lambda times this is give you this. So you are done. Then you now go to the next bracket. As you can see, nothing is common here, but 1 is common. So you bring it out here. 1 into lambda minus 2 all equals to 0. So I'm sure I'm correct because here you have two brackets that are equal. Lambda minus 2. Lambda minus 2. Once this thing is correct, that means your answer is correct. Next, you now bracket this one. What can you see outside the bracket here is 5 lambda. And here plus 1. Then you bracket them. And next one here, lambda minus 2 equals to 0. Now, we have successfully factorized the equation. Then we can solve it now. Since lambda plus 1 multiplied by lambda minus 2 equals to 0, either 5 lambda plus 1 equals to 0 or lambda minus 2 equals to 0. So 5 lambda equals to minus 1 or lambda equals to 2. So from here, divide both sides by 5. Therefore, lambda equals to negative 1 over 5 or lambda equals to 2. And that is the final answer. Thank you for being here. Please help me share this video. Bye bye.